Hello and welcome back all my viewers and subscribers. In today's video, you'll basically be seeing how I like to lay my cables on the floor if there's no other option. It's the best option I find that works very well for me, and I'm sure for others who have been in the trade, as we always find the necessary means and the fastest way to try to do our job. So this video you will basically be seeing a bunch of cables that how I go about running my cables, and I will place these cables on the floor. So please enjoy the video. As we wind down to the end of the video, also don't forget to please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also, you can go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section, and who has not subscribed to the channel, you can subscribe. Make sure you have your notification set to all, that way you can receive my notification, and you can stay tuned to my content.